Hey guys, I just finished this song about 8 minutes ago, and hope you guys enjoy it. It's called What World? Take 4.
You're now listening to Dancing with My Mum Productions.
I just think that I'm dying inside, and with the visions aside, where problems don't hide, and the world is collapsing and relapsing and crumbling. The system we live in is always on something, but we're overlooking, overjudging, and overthinking. Blue pill to save the world, red pill to rule the world. Damn, that's a hard choice, so I took both, because together we'll have a toast. There's no greed and misery, only beer and apple trees. It's a sunny, sunny day to wish the bad people away, but do we need them? The world's like a fucked up yin-yang, then we're all insane. Here, take a piece of my brain and tell me how it tastes. Watch what you say, because we're all fucking crazy, even the little babies. Because in this government run world, people been debating lately on whether or not the system is on a trustworthy level. We better start digging to China, cause we all need help. Burning hell, we're already there. It's a system apocalypse and the people will prevail. But wait, what's wrong? People getting depressed and thinking life's done, so they take themselves out while the world runs. But if you're looking for salvation, you're only hurting those around you. So just think of how many people love you, because I was in the same boat, thinking it was all full of holes and wouldn't stay afloat. But then I had to see as I swam through the sea to find my beliefs and open up reality and realize people love me for who I am, and they show me I'm somebody who cares, who has a warm heart. But all this people violence is making my heart melt. Today someone died, tomorrow will happen too. Why? Because of much war and drugs, dude. And people think guns are fun, but is it funny when your family's the one to suffer, as they're staring at your body trying to figure out why you had it coming? Because you thought you were the law, but look who's laughing. The guy who shot you, he had a faster trigger finger, probably going to your house because he's also known as a licker. Taking all your belongings, pawning it for money, because it's survival for the fittest, and his life is now longer. The soul will now live and prosper, but you chose to argue over a fucking dollar. And to get money is hard to find, but not if you get your job and get your mind right. You can stay up all night studying how to make things right with your family, because they're no longer help you. You use them for money and all the drug abuse, and now you're running back to mommy because the bank wants your house too. Respect your mother because she'll always love you. I love my mama, but she gets on my nerves too. But it's what they do, they gave birth to you, they're allowed to fucking lecture you. The fuck what you do, they can control you, they only want to help you. And it's okay to be scared, stressed, so stressed you're pulling out your hair, because you're nervous on how others will judge you. Why? Because of all the scars and tattoos. Just do you and they'll do them. Fuck what they think, they're just mad they have to pay people to like them. So just keep walking and just keep talking, and make sure you hide your personal belongings, because we all need to unite, and it's tonight. We are one as a people, and it's time to make things right. No need to fight, just sit and write on what crosses your mind through trials of time. Keep working hard, because we're all running out of time, because we're all gonna die. So let's ride the tides one last time, because before I die, the rebel will come out with one last line that I can say for one last time. Everyone prepares for one final ride. Just remember, no matter how sad you think that life is done, just look at the people that love you. Realize that everything's gonna be okay.